RV Winter Drainage Maintenance Guide. Ensuring your RV's plumbing system is winterized is essential to prevent freezing and damage during cold months. Use the following steps to effectively drain your RV's water systems. Step 1. Draining the fresh water tank. Locate the 240L fresh water tank plumbing. Remove the quick connector lock clip, press down on the quick connector, and disconnect the water pipe. Step 2. Draining indoor faucets. Open these indoor faucets: kitchen faucet, bathroom sink faucet, shower faucet. Use a high-pressure air gun to blow air into the blue pipe. Monitor water drainage from the faucets until only mist appears or they are fully drained. Close the faucets in this order: kitchen faucet, bathroom sink faucet, shower faucet. Step 3. Draining outdoor shower pipes. Open both the hot and cold water valves of the outdoor shower. Ensure all water is completely drained from the outdoor shower pipes. Step 4. Draining the water heater pipes. Locate the white drain pipe. Press the drain valve to empty the pipes. Reconnect the quick connector and blue pipe. Press down on the quick connector and fully insert the blue pipe. Lift the pipe slightly and secure it with the red locking clip. Step 5. Draining the drinking water tank. Locate the drinking water tank pipes located at the back of the vehicle's stainless steel drinking water tank. Use the same disassembly as the freshwater tank. Open the indoor drinking water faucet to drain the tank. Check the tank filter to ensure it's fully drained. Reattach the drinking water tank pipes after draining. Step 6. Draining the gray and black water tanks. Use the drainage outlets under the RV to empty the gray and black water tanks. Confirm that all tanks and pipes are completely emptied. Important notes: follow the steps in the provided sequence for thorough drainage. After completing the drainage process, verify that all pipe connectors are securely reattached to prevent leaks. By following this guide, you can protect your RV from potential damage caused by freezing temperatures and ensure its safe and reliable operation during winter months.